everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am going to be taking some of the amounts in this 100 envelope savings challenge book and pushing them to the larger amounts in this challenge, because if you've done this challenge, then you know how hard it is to fill in these really large amounts right here. So usually my strategy with this is to try to focus as much on the more manageable numbers. And then this year, this is something new I'm doing. Each quarter, I'm going to take this. Well, I did this last year. I did the same thing, but I didn't have a time frame on when I did it. I just did it whenever I felt like it. But this time I'm just going to do it every quarter. And I'm going to take all of these lower amounts and push them to the end. And then kind of knock out all these really high numbers. And then again, just focus on these, what I can manage, and then do the same process every quarter. So that's helped me when it comes to filling in these large numbers. It's a little tip that I was told to do in the comment section. So I appreciate all the people that told me to do that, because I'm not the one that came up with this. This is just something that was told to me, suggested to do. And it's been working out for me. I finished this challenge last year. I think it took like 2 years for me to finish. Once you finish this challenge, if you don't know, the 100 envelope savings challenge, you'll have saved $5,050 at the end, which is really good. That helped me to pay for a Europe trip that I took last year. So yeah, it comes in super handy and it's fun to do. And I have this challenge book here. I got this off of Amazon. I'll try to link something similar. I don't think this particular one with this style is available anymore, but they do have this color book. There's a bunch of different color ones with the little sheets inside, very affordable. So I'll link what I can find on my description, but yeah, I'm just going to take out all of these amounts here and just go through this whole process. So yeah, we have a $6 here. All right, this one I was able to fill 3 pockets. So I have 11. And then if you want to really plan better when you're doing this challenge, I would suggest getting some larger bills to condense with, because you're going to see I'm going to have a lot of bills going into these pockets. But it does show that you can actually fit a decent amount in these. At first, when I got this, I thought these were really flimsy and that they were going to break very easily, but they don't. They're pretty sturdy, even though they don't feel like it. So that was that was good to see. So you're going to see me testing that in this video, since I'm going to be putting a lot of bills into pockets. All right, this one I did all of them. So that's good. So I have 15, 16, 13, and 14. I have lots of dollars. Okay, so 5s, a bunch of 1s. 16. You know what I should have done before I started this, which I didn't do, is count how much I have, but it'll be a surprise, I guess. I'll count it after, but I should have calculated the amounts. I just totally spaced and didn't do that. But I would leave them in the pockets, count how much you have, and then you can start figuring out how much will go into each envelope. But we're just gonna wing it because I already started. I could look back at my video, but I don't want to stop and do that. Okay, so we got some 1s here. 5s, another 1. I got 13. All right, this pocket I have 3, or this sheet I have 3 pockets filled. 10, 5, and 1s. I got 17. And 18. All right, next sleeve, I have one. So this one has 21 in it. All right, this one I have 2 filled. I have 28. This one has a lot of bills in here. Sometimes I don't have exact amounts, like perfectly condensed amounts to put in these challenges. That's okay. This one has 26. All right, then I have 29 in this pocket. All right, nothing in this one, and this one I have 39. So one thing that's helped me to put money into this challenge is every week I give myself a budget for weekly expenses, like normal weekly expenses. So for me, that would be like groceries. I have a little coffee budget, a little spending allowance for the week, and eating out, because you know that happens sometimes. Oh, this one I have 3, so 43. And then at the end of the week, I will take whatever leftover money is still in my envelopes, and I'll usually put it towards this challenge, other savings challenges, but I try to put as whatever I can, some decent amounts to help me in this challenge. So that's helped a lot with getting money in here, just not overspending in my budget. This one has 44. So yeah, so a lot of this is sometimes change from, or leftover money from my weekly spending amounts. Okay, this one has 42. Okay, and then this one I have 48. That might be the last one, yeah. And I haven't filled up anything past 48 besides like the really large numbers. So, and then the way that I've been filling the ones that I do have already filled, the large numbers, is every month, thanks to my YouTube paycheck, I will put money, like a high number. I'll fill a high number with that money. So since you're watching my videos, thank you, because you watching my videos helps me to earn some income here, and I usually try to put that money towards hitting some of my savings goals and just the goals that I have in my envelopes that I wouldn't have been able to do without that paycheck. So thank you so much for doing that, for watching. Okay, so I have all of them removed with all the lower amounts. So I'm going to try to fill, hopefully this whole pocket will get filled with this leftover money. I didn't, like I said, I didn't count it before. So we're going to see. I'm going to count it right now just to see what I have. I have a calculator here just to keep track of everything. So 20, 40, 60, 80, already 100. So definitely one of those will get filled. Okay, so then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or 200. Oh no, I'm just counting 100. Sorry, counting each one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that's 190. Okay, looking good so far to fill in that whole sleeve. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 125. Oh, did I do 120? Oh no, I think I miscounted. Hold on, let me check. Okay, so I did catch my mistake and I corrected it. All right, and then I got all these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Okay, 471. Like I said earlier, I wish I would have calculated the amount before I did this, because if I made any mistakes with putting money into the pockets, I wouldn't have been able to catch that mistake, unfortunately. But we're gonna go with it. 471 here is what I have, if I counted it right. Well, we're gonna see if it all totals out correctly. So I for sure can fill in a 95, 20, 40, 60, 70, 95. Okay, so this one, I think I might, actually, I'm gonna mix this up a bit, because I'm gonna have so many extra bills that I don't wanna just, yeah, like I don't have any large bills. I didn't plan ahead. That way you should, though. Learn from my mistake. Plan ahead, grab some 50s from the bank, and then just take it back and, you know, do that whole process. But I didn't do that, so we're gonna have to just deal with this, and I'll make sure next time I grab 50s. Okay, so I'm gonna do some, I'm gonna leave some 20s. So we'll do 10 for sure here. I'll do another 10. Just trying to mix it up a little bit, so it's not all just this. And I guess I should I'll do a couple more 5s. You know what? I should do some 1s too. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. Let's see if this is 95 still. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. Oh no, I messed up somewhere. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Okay, I'm missing a 10. Another 10. Just pulled the wrong amounts. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Okay. So this, even though it's a lot, it will fit in this pocket, so that's good. Yeah, here it goes. Okay, so that's perfect. Now I have 94, so I'm gonna I'll grab 1, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Okay, you might hear some construction noise going on because I was trying to work around their schedule, and I think they just got off a break, and I think they're going to be doing stuff to the street again. It's kind of loud earlier, so if you hear some noises, sorry. Okay, so that's 94. It fit. It was very tight, but it fit. 93. I'm gonna do the same thing. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 9. Oh, that's why I counted it as 80, 90, 80, 85, 90, 90. Okay, let me count this again. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 85, 90. 91, 92, 93. All right. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93. 93. All right, so I've filled up this whole sleeve, which was my goal, to be able to do that. So we have from the 471, just make sure I did this right, because it seems like I'm going to be making some mistakes. 95, 94, 93. Okay, I should be able to fill in for sure 92, and 91. Okay. We'll do 92 next. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. Okay, so that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. Going in this pocket here. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a 20. I have some money. I'm taking some, like a 20 and a 10 back to the bank. So I'm gonna condense that because this is not gonna fit. I need to condense for sure. So let me go grab that. I have a 20 and a 10, so this is gonna help. So I'm gonna change some of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, 21. What am I doing? 20. Now I need to double check because I counted that wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so that takes care of that 20. And this will just go back to the bank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's the 10 for here. Okay, so that should help with the situation that I have. Okay, 91 is the next one. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. I don't think this is gonna fit. This is too much. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna attempt it. It's a lot though. I might have to grab more change. Oh no. We're gonna test the limit on this one and see if it can do it. Actually it did. Okay. That's 91. So I did 92 and 91. I should have $6 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I didn't mess it up. I thought I was messing up left and right. Kind of was, but in the end it worked out. All right, then I have $6 here. Perfect timing too, because the construction noise is getting louder and louder. So I can end this video. Ah, come on. This definitely can go in. It's only 6 bills. Just struggling. Come on. Oh yeah, and also fold it in first always helps too. Makes it so much easier to get in versus the other way around. Okay, come on. Why is this one more difficult? All right, so I did it. So I have 2 full sleeves filled. Now my highest number that I have to fill is 90. So that will be my next paycheck, my next YouTube paycheck, that will be filled. So again, thank you for watching. And then I opened up all these lower amounts again, which are a lot easier for me to manage to fill. And then I will just continue this whole process. So that is me pushing over, I don't know what to call this video actually, pushing over all of my lower amounts to my large amounts. And I will be doing this again after next quarter. And so, yeah, that is going to be it. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.